College. My name is Prasanth Kumarreddy and studying in Teshwara College of Engineering. I am presently doing my second semester BE, and the course name is Innovation and Design Thinking, and the course code is BIDTK258. And my topic is Design Thinking in IT Industry. And basically, design thinking is a human-centric problem-solving approach that integrates empathy, creativity, and rationality. It has been widely adopted in many fields, particularly in the IT industry, due to its ability to deliver innovative and effective solutions. Basically, design thinking involves in the fields like empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. We'll learn about them now. Key principles of design thinking. Empathy. Empathy means putting yourself in the user's shoes and helps to understand their needs and pain points. Like we need to understand what the customer or the user needs from the particular product. And ideation. Generating various ideas through brainstorming and ideation sessions, even if they appear unconventional or counterintuitive. Like ideation is nothing but inventing some new ideas, whether it is correct or wrong, but we need by the brainstorming, we produce a lot of ideas, thinking which will be the correct idea. And prototyping. Prototyping, building prototypes to test and iterate solutions until they meet the user's need and requirement. Prototype is nothing but a model type structure, which we are going to release it like only the sample pieces, and later we are going to see whether how the user experiences it, and later we'll proceed. And by the testing is nothing but using the product and knowing the reviews whether it is good or bad, like everything. Testing, iteratively testing solutions with user to refine and improve their usability, functionality, and desirability. And applications of design thinking in IT industry. The applications of design thinking in IT industry are product design, designing products that truly solve customer problems and bring value to the market. Like we need to design the products which bring a true value to the market. Another is user experience design, creating meaningful and engaging digital experiences that satisfy users' needs and expectations. Like user experience design is nothing but we need to satisfy the user's needs and expectations. Agile development, adopting an iterative and flexible approach to the software development using agile methodologies. Adopting an iterative means like a loop and flexible approach to the software development and using agile methodologies. And the benefits of using design thinking approach in IT are like innovation, user engagement, faster time to the market, and better ROI. Innovation. Design thinking fosters innovation and creativity, resulting in innovation solutions and products. And in user engagement, design thinking encourages a user-centric approach that leads to a higher user engagement and satisfaction. Faster time to the market. Design thinking enables faster and more efficient product development and the time to the market and better ROI. Design thinking helps to create products that align with customer needs and preferences and therefore offer a higher return on the investment. Real world examples of successful implementation of design thinking. Like there are many examples like Apple, Netflix, and Spotify. In Apple is renowned for its human-centric approach to the product design and innovation, which is based on design thinking and principles. And these days Netflix is become like world famous, like everyone is binging now. So Netflix has a relief on basic design thinking principles to create immersive and user-friendly digital experiences that cater its customers' entertainment preferences and expectations. And Spotify, without Spotify, I think so nobody is going like every day they're listening to music. So I think so Spotify is one of the major leading app nowadays. Spotify has embraced agile and design thinking methodologies to create innovation features and personalized experiences that delight its user and keep them engaged every time. Like all these three companies, you can see like everywhere. Apple, they are developing many products these days. even their price are getting increased day by day, as well as Netflix, even Spotify, they are increasing the premiums, everything. So everything they are bringing a successful, like they're all built up by the design thinking process only. And the challenges of implementing design thinking IT industry are like cultural resistance, resource constraints, and implementation complexity. Cultural resistance, it can be challenging to the change an organization's culture and mindset towards more creativity, collaboration, and openness, which are fundamental to design thinking. And resource constraints, adopting design thinking requires significant investments in time, effort, money, which may not be always be feasible given to the current resources and the priorities of the organization. Implementation complexity. Applying design thinking to the complex IT problems and domains can be difficult and may require a dedicated team in the right expertise and skills. And we'll come to the conclusion of the design thinking. Design thinking is a powerful problem solving approach that can transform the way of IT companies to operate, design products, and delight the customers. Like I said, design thinking involves in the steps of like empathize, ideate, prototype, and testing. This all involves in knowing the perspective of the users, and when we release the prototype, they share their reviews and by testing everything. So we can provide what they'll say, we can provide the basic necessities which the user is demanding these days by knowing all the design thinking steps. So that we need to design a product properly, keeping all these points in the mind. That's it. And thank you.